What you think? What's good with the game, man? We're back with another video. Y'all see I'm rocking this SSG. Yes, SSG merch, man. Boy, man, it's that rain, man. I hate when that damn rain get here. Promise y'all. But yeah, man, we rocking the SSG, man. Shout out to Corey, man. Shout out the whole team, Corman, the whole SSG team. This is how we starting this video off today. Just because I'm rocking the merch, and also tomorrow I'm gonna be in my other uniform, so I might not dress up tomorrow because we're gonna get hands dirty, man. So like I said, man, we want to start this intro like this, man. Man, y'all know I'm sniffing, man. I'm sick, man. Sorry about that, man. Sorry, that's how I came on the video, but it's all good, man. It's not gonna stop me, man. Grind's not gonna stop, man. So we just want to do a little quick little video today, man. Kind of show y'all what I got planned. I had ordered something, right? So what I ordered was like a lift thing to go up on my front of my box Chevy. And y'all can see how she kind of is right now. Now, I done got knuckles on the front. Now, before I say this, y'all, I'm not gonna be able to get some coilovers, man. I can't afford them damn coilovers. That shit expensive. I'm talking about them coilovers, man. A1, what them thing called? Right now, I can't get them right now. But anyway, not that type of money to spend on it right now. But I seen some other things and some lifts. They're gonna go up on here. So what I'm gonna do, only thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bag this car back. And probably tomorrow, I'm gonna start taking my front wheels off, take my calipers off, front wheel off, drop the lower control arm, ball joint, take the front shock out, and basically take my spring. So I'm gonna have to lift the car high enough to both sides can drop, because I ain't gonna do one side at a time. I'm gonna do both. So definitely gonna do that, and that's gonna get that car that raise up in the front. It's gonna get that. It's definitely gonna squat that back. So I just want to lift it up some more. So right now I got like 3 knuckles on each side, or 2 knuckles. She a little high, but she still be hitting a little bit. And then y'all see how the car kind of even. I don't want that all on the top. I want that bitch sit up. When I'm coming through, I want that motherfucker. I want my head to be like this when I'm driving. Oh. That's what I want to be. You know what I'm saying? So she tucking on here. You ready? We were gonna pick my daughter up from the school, man. So we about to go walking, pick my daughter up around the school. But y'all see how that one kind of sit in, and the front kind of sit up. I definitely want that, but for that car, I want that bitch high in the front. It just don't look good, especially coming through, man, on that gold. I'm on 6s, motherfucker ride, sitting high, but squatting in the back, but high off the ground. That's kind of how I want. Give it that aggressive look. So that's kind of what we're gonna do, y'all. Yeah, man, we get out here and grind, man. I think this is my first. It's gonna be our first time walking to the thing, to the daycare. Yeah, man. So in the mail. You can't carry that mail. Walk with that mail.
Cisco. Yep, Cisco.
Oh. I wanted to make a video, because I told myself I'm gonna make a video daily, man. So I know it's hard, but I'm gonna try to do it. So this video ain't gonna be nothing really.
You gotta get up.
Yeah, I gotta roll. This video ain't gonna be nothing a day, ain't for the views. But man, we gonna catch y'all back, because I ain't gonna lie, they damn sun that came out. Back, man, back, man, from walking, man. God damn, it was hot out there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Sun like it's starting to go down now, but man, when I say it was hot, it was hot. But anyway, I want to let y'all hear something real quick, man. The mechanics out there, man, if y'all watching this video, I need y'all to see if y'all can let me know where the sound coming from. I've been having this sound, I say it's been a while, but apparently I'm thinking I'm having a flywheel issue. Like, I got up under there, I tightened up, well, called myself trying to tighten up the bolts on the flywheel, but everything seemed to be tight. You know, so I don't think it's loose. Maybe it can be cracked, a little small crack. I don't know. Yeah. I want that sound, but then you gonna get to hear this. All right, so y'all hear? I'm gonna see. Y'all hear the noise right there? Let me show y'all once I get up front of here. There right there. Alright. Let me see. Y'all can hear it good when I go. I'm gonna get back up there in the motor. Hold on. Y'all hear it now. That pinging. Watch out, please. There from my exhaust. That cluck noise. I definitely want to get that fixed, man. Definitely want to get that fixed. And man, I'm really at this point now, like, I don't know if it's the flywheel. I don't know if it's the torque converter, you know what I'm saying, bolts or something like that, torque converter bolts, I don't know. But the only thing I can do is get the transmission taken down, putting the rear main seal on there, get a bigger torque converter, and let me see, checking my flywheel, and doing all the, you know, the rebuild stuff, man, basically, to my transmission. Because right now, I know it might be hard to hear, to see what the sound is, but to me, I just think that'd probably be my best bet. Definitely do that. So, y'all comment down below, man. Y'all can let me know. Back to the box. So, I'm definitely gonna get some shocks. Y'all see how she ride? She bounce and stuff. I'm definitely gonna get some shocks for the back. Now the springs, I can't say the spring good, but I can get some heavy duty springs sit back there. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna replace the shocks, because on this car it used to be like that. When I replaced the shocks were just bad, and the spring still was good. So I'm just gonna replace the shocks here, and I'm gonna replace the. I'm gonna lift it up. And I might buy shocks for the front too, but I'm definitely gonna lift her up too. So I want y'all to see for y'allself, like, hey man, this is how she look right now, and just wait till she get done. So whenever it comes, hopefully I'm gonna try to do some before pictures videos and after videos. So I'm gonna try, like I said, it might just be me. I'm gonna try to find my mechanic, see if he can come out here and help me. But my only issue is taking down the screen. I just want to come out here and still let y'all know, man, I'm still gonna grind. You can't get up there right now. We finna go, okay? We'll be back. Yeah, we finna go. We don't want you to get dirty, okay? Come on. Say hey, YouTube. Look. Say hey, YouTube. Ooh, who is that?
It's dog.
Huh? What is that?
It's dog.
Dog? Yeah, come on for the dog, huh? Yeah, guys, so, man, like I said, we wasn't on motion today, man. We just want to get out here and kind of tell y'all what we was going to do. Like I said, it say it's going to come here Thursday. Hopefully it comes here tomorrow. But you know how they go. It might still come Thursday, but they'll let you know Thursday we're going to be busy. We're going to be busy Thursday, man. So we just on the grind. I still got to put those speakers back in. I still got to hook up The radio. I still got the radio, gotta get hooked up. Fucking around, left my window down the other day, so she got rained in on the front up there, so we're gonna have to, let me see. The smell ain't there, but we're gonna have to shampoo her out. Y'all see that top, man? She's still hanging up in there, man. We're gonna have to vacuum her out, shampoo her out, and go from there on that one. And this car, my damn seat broke on my front driver's side. It's so brittle, so I gotta fix that seat. Y'all see how the seat kind of dipped down all the way down? And I got those things sitting on. I be sitting way deep down in that motherfucker. I do not like that. I ain't that tall. So we'll have to definitely take care of that, y'all. But in the meantime, man, it's out here hot. Like I said, man, we just on the grind, make some videos, let y'all know what I'm doing. And we gotta see what's my first step, man, besides lifting it up. But y'all do comment down below and let me know on this car. I appreciate y'all, man. If y'all new to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all check out my other videos, my later videos. I'm doing stuff daily, man. We got these Chevys rolling. What you doing? That's bug spray. That's bug spray. Yeah, bug spray. Yeah, bugs over there. But yeah, guys, y'all new to the channel, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all turn the bell notifications on, man. Y'all hit that thumb on that nail, but I almost had it. But yeah, man, do that, man. We gonna be out. Y'all just stay tuned for the next vlogs. This day vlog. So like I said, no motion today, man. But y'all comment down below, man. Please let me know, man, because I'm trying to think what I should do first. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I take the transmission down, I'm definitely gonna need to know what type of stall. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But I just want something that's gonna put that motherfucker in drive. I hit on it and she picks up and she go. That's what I want. But I also still want to drive on the highway and be able to coast. You know what I'm saying? Definitely do that. Don't mess with that. Don't mess with that now. So yeah, guys, man, we out, man. Stay tuned to the next video, man. Like I said, man, we're just vlogging today, man. It wasn't no motion today, man. Boy just got out, man. Y'all see the uniform, man. Just went to walk, pick up my daughter, man. So I got a little exercise in. I'm still kind of sick. Y'all hear me sniffing, man. Hope I ain't got nothing on my nose. You know what I'm saying? But hey, the grind don't stop. Damn, popping those here. Grind don't stop, man. But we definitely got a lot of work to do, man. So it's piece by piece, man. It's hard to kind of do everything at once, man. So you gotta get one of them dead before you take the other one dead, man. So I'm talking about I gotta do AC. I gotta do all this shit, man. But yeah, guys, we out, man.